Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
Modern vehicles are equipped with an onboard diagnostic (OBD) system that makes it easier for technicians to diagnose vehicle problems. While these codes are useful for professionals, they can seem complicated at first glance to the average DIY enthusiast. If you found a P0145 fault code that intrigues you, this informative guide is for you. What does the P0145 fault code mean? Fault code P0145 means Lambda sensor 3, line 1, slow response. It is registered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a slow response time from a downstream oxygen sensor. Bank 1 refers to the part of the engine containing cylinder 1, while a sensor 3A refers to the oxygen sensor located downstream or after the catalytic converter. Code P0145 is set when sensor 3 responds more slowly than expected. There are times when the ECM to PCM expects a sudden reaction from the downstream sensor depending on dynamic conditions, and when the downstream sensor does not always react in time, this code is set. Oxygen sensors are designed to react to changes in exhaust gas composition. This code is activated if the sensor reacts more slowly than usual to changes in the exhaust gas. Sensor 3 monitors the efficiency of catalytic converters in reducing emissions and transmits this data to the PCM. If the PCM detects a problem with this sensor's response time, it activates fault code P0145. This code is also activated when the oxygen sensor is too slow for proper fuel control and closed-loop fuel system operation. Make sure you understand the role of the downstream oxygen sensor before attempting to diagnose or DIY repair code P0145. Note, the definition of code P0145 may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the possible causes of the P0145 code? The P0145 code is a generic code, so it can have several causes. Here are the most common: a defective oxygen sensor wiring problem, a leak in the engine exhaust, PCM failure. What are the common symptoms of P0145? You may notice the following symptoms if you own a vehicle with a registered P0145 problem code: activation of the check engine light, low fuel consumption, poor engine performance. How to diagnose P0145? The P0145 fault code is generic, which means that it is supported by different makes and models. It may have similar triggers and symptoms to other fault codes. This can make it difficult for the average DIY to diagnose and repair. As vehicles are built differently by different manufacturers, exact diagnostic and repair procedures may vary. As a general rule, always refer to a repair manual for the correct diagnostic steps. If you're not confident in your automotive knowledge, it's best to leave the diagnosis to the experts rather than do it yourself. How to repair the P0145 code? Code P0145 can appear on vehicles of different makes and models. It may also share similar triggers and symptoms with other fault codes. However, as cars are manufactured differently, there is no single, safe solution for this code. For example, a solution that worked for a P0145 on a Chevrolet may not work for another model, especially if it's from a different manufacturer. All vehicles are different, so you should always refer to the factory repair information specific to your car before solving the problem. If you're not confident in your automotive skills, it's best to take your vehicle to an auto repair shop for proper diagnosis and repair. In conclusion, a fault code P0145 indicates a slow response from Lambda sensor 3, line 1, which can lead to decreased engine performance and increased emissions. Addressing this issue promptly is crucial for maintaining optimal vehicle function. Regular diagnostics and timely repairs can help ensure your vehicle runs efficiently and meets environmental standards. If you suspect a problem with your Lambda sensor, consult a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection and resolution. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more automotive insights.